All right, boys, welcome back to another banger of a video here. Today's video, we're changing a recoil, so it's going to be a real short one. Customer brought this to another shop. He had this yard machine here, Briggs and Stratton, and his recoil broke. Well, what happened is they bought a new recoil, which I did too, and they didn't change the basket. Now, these came with a different type of recoil than the newer ones you can buy for a cheap price. They have a different mechanism, so you have to get a basket with it too. But if you guys remember in my last video, we took off the basket off that other one, and that's what we're going to slap on here. And I got a brand new recoil to put on. I'm going to show you guys how to dismantle this one. So like I said, and because they're missing a bolt back here that the other mechanic lost, we also took that off. So we got 3 again. That's why we keep everything. If you guys didn't watch my last video, you could click the information bar at the top. Check it out. So let's take this off and let's see. Yeah, see? Busted all up because they have this original basket in here. But not the problem. Nothing to fear. You know how we do here, boys. We get shit done. So we're going to bust out our big old impact with our air. Does my hoses cooperate with me today? I recommend everybody get one of these. Yes, they're expensive, but they are so worth it. So now all we're going to do is take out that nut and basket. Easy as pie. And we're going to keep this because we might need it for a different lawnmower in the future. So now what we'll do is we'll slap this basket on there, line it up nice and pretty, put the original nut from the basket we kept. Pop this thing in the forward drive. Lock her down. Okay, now let's go on to the recoil part. Okay, let's change this recoil. Pretty easy process here. Now, all we're going to do is you can see on this one, no screws, no rivets, no nothing, they're just clips. So you take your screwdriver in there, and you're going to unclip it the best you can. It's probably a better way to do this, but this is how I do it. Just go around, slowly but surely, getting every one of these clips out. There we go. And there we go. We got the broken recoil. Now, good news about the broken recoil is that even though it's worth nothing here, it's still worth $5 here. So you just take that old handle off right there and bam, and then yeet this. There's that. That goes in the parts. So now you can take out your new coil or your recoil, which I'll have a link down below if you want to get this from Amazon. Help support me a little bit, and you get it too at no extra charge. And now we don't need this, we just need this, and that recoil works. So what we're going to do, we're going to make sure we get it to where it needs to go. Obviously we're pulling this way, so now we know that. So we're going to put the handle through here, double check it, still good. Now all we do is we line it up. And all we're going to do is pop it into place. Sometimes they do not want to cooperate. check it. Well, this video would have been real short if I'm not dumb.
Listen,
I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm kind of retarded.
Okay, there we go. Sometimes you just gotta give it a good push. Oh, force that thing in. Make sure all the clips are in. There we go. Awesome. Slap her back on the machine and give her a good pull. Bam! Just like that. You thought I wasn't prepared? What do you guys watch all my videos where most of the time I don't know what I'm doing? Okay, here we go, guys. We're gonna slap her on. So, put her back on. Okay. 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. Hit them tight. And there we go. We are pretty much done. Now we're just going to have to pull the brake off, pull this back, so we can thread it back up here. And now we'll see if she starts. Let's check. This one has a primer bulb. Let's make sure there's gas in it. We got gas. Let's hit it with the primer. And she should run. Since it's dead of winter, we have to prime it a few more times. And she's running. Thank you guys so much for watching this short little video on how to do this. If you haven't seen my last video, it'll be at the end screen on how to pop this and get the parts you need for it from dismantling the machine. Always keep, most of everything on the machines because you could always use them to make money. And there we go. Took me less than 10 minutes and we're gonna make 70 bucks. Thank you guys for watching. Till the next one, boys.